Right, so what I thought I'd just go over very quickly for anybody else that gets stuck with this. I just had the Bambu Labs Studio update come through. There's a newer version of Bambu Labs Studio available, and while trying to install it, came into all kinds of problems. It couldn't write to the .dll file that was in the user app folder. It couldn't write to that, so then it wouldn't. It also couldn't install the new network files that it needed to do the network connection to the X1 Carbon. So I contacted Bambu Labs, but I'm impatient, and it'd been 24 hours, hadn't got a reply with a fix yet. So I was getting fed up with it. I even went down and downloaded the last version again off of the GitHub page, and still I couldn't install it again. It kept coming up with the same problems. Kept coming up with the .dll file. It couldn't write to it, and I did some searching. AVG was one of the things that it was saying, but that wasn't. I disabled AVG, disabled my firewall just while I was trying to get this software installed. That wouldn't work. So here's the Bambu Labs here. So Bambu Labs Studio, and then if I get up the latest version, which is, I'll confirm that with you. So the latest version is version 1.04.02.13 is the newest version that's just come out. While trying to install that, like I say, there was problems, and in the end I did manage to solve them myself. So I thought I'd just run through with you. If anybody else is having this problems trying to install the new Bambu Studio, which has got some extra updates showing you the layer height of the print, etc. So what I had to do was, and it wasn't actually a hard fix, so what we needed to do was bring control panel up. So we went to control panel. I'll bring that up and show you. So we brought control panel up. We just go to File Explorer, bring that up there, and then we came down and we turned on Show Hidden Folders. So Show Hidden Folders and Drives, and we applied that. Then what we did was brought this up, and we just had to go in and find it. So it was in, we just had to go to the main drive, users. That's my main active account there. Then what we just had to go into was this one. This folder is normally hidden, the app data. A lot of programs use that when they're installing, etc. So we went into app datas and went into roaming, which is what a lot of them are using. So roaming, and then here's Bambu Studios. So in the Bambu Studios, it was these two. These are the two names of the things. So it was in the plugins folder. So in the plugins folder, these two files here, this is the networking one and the Bambu source.dll, that was the one that it couldn't write to. So it couldn't write to the, if I give you the name, you can see it. It's in your local disk, users, your whatever username you've got on your PC, app data, roaming, Bambu Studio, plugins. These two files are the ones that it was having trouble with. So now you wouldn't be able to see them originally if you hadn't turned on the hidden files and folders. So all I literally did was just took both of these two files, which were, the date on them was from the last install, the install of the older version, literally just cut them out, and I pasted them into the backup folder so that I didn't actually fully get rid of them. So you can literally just take them out, or you can paste them to your desktop, wherever, but it's a good idea just to take a copy of them. Once you take them out of this folder, whether you put them in the backup or whether you put them in the desktop, wherever, once you take them out, then run the installer again, and once you run the installer again, it will then replace these two files with the new ones from the new version. So for some reason it wouldn't write over the old ones. It was obviously seeing these old ones and it couldn't write to it. So get rid of them, take them out of the folder, and the new one will then install. Even though I'd even run the uninstall program on the last version to try and clear that out, but that hadn't done it. So take them out, that'll install the new ones. Then you can come back here to your control panel, turn the don't show hidden files back on. So once you've turned that back on, then you're all good. That should then let you install the newest version, and it should all function and work again as normal. So that's all you should need to do. If you're having the same problem as what I was having with the unable to write the DLL files, that should get your new Bambu Studio update running, and I hope that helps. Cheers for watching.